What if one of the biggest opportunities in the energy sector isn't an oil company or a solar company? What if it's a company that could power the future of artificial intelligence? Today, we're taking a closer look at Bloom Energy, ticker symbol BE. The stock has been extremely volatile, but Wall Street analysts still believe there could be significant upside ahead. So, is Bloom Energy a hidden gem, or is this rally about to end? Let's find out. Bloom Energy develops solid oxide fuel cell technology that generates electricity more efficiently than traditional power systems. The company's products are designed to provide reliable power to businesses, factories, hospitals, and large data centers. As artificial intelligence continues to expand, the demand for electricity is increasing rapidly. That trend could create a massive opportunity for Bloom Energy. Let's look at some important figures. Market capitalization, $60.62 billion. Revenue, $2.02 billion. Earnings per share, 84 cents. Net income, negative $88.43 million. PE ratio, 282. Beta, 4.50. These numbers show that Bloom Energy is growing, but investors should remember that the company remains highly volatile. There are three major reasons investors are excited about this company. First, the artificial intelligence revolution requires enormous amounts of electricity. Second, Bloom Energy offers a cleaner and more efficient alternative to traditional power systems. Third, the company has been expanding partnerships and increasing revenue. If these trends continue, Bloom Energy could become one of the biggest winners in the energy sector. Every investment has risks, and Bloom Energy is no exception. The company is still struggling to achieve consistent profitability. Competition in the clean energy industry is intense. Rising interest rates could also put pressure on growth stocks. Finally, the stock's high valuation means investors should expect significant price swings. Now let's look at the chart. The first support zone is located between $180 and $190. The second support area is around $150. The first resistance level is near $250. The next major target is between $300 and $350. If buyers regain control, the stock could move significantly higher. However, a break below support could trigger another correction. Wall Street analysts currently have an average price target of $275.44. The highest target stands at $380. The lowest target is $105. This wide range shows that analysts remain optimistic, but uncertainty remains high. So, should you buy Bloom Energy stock? If you are a long-term investor who believes in artificial intelligence and clean energy, Bloom Energy may deserve a place on your watch list. However, because of the stock's volatility, risk management is essential. For now, Bloom Energy remains one of the most interesting companies in the energy sector. The next few quarters could determine whether this company becomes a long-term winner. What do you think about Bloom Energy? Will BE stock reach $300, or is it overvalued? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock market analysis videos.